Now we need another few pins, another 2 pins in. Number 1 and number 4. Number 1 is 180, so we're looking for 180. 180 is right here. So we put the 180 back in. And we need one more, which is 4. Number 4 is 225. 225 is right here. And that's it. We got it done. case you don't have a key, you can basically take the top part out and you can get rid of all the pins, including the top pins, which you didn't do it in the last one, if you don't have the key. In Schleg, they didn't do it that way. They made sure that you cannot get the top pins out. So in case you don't have the right key and you don't have a follower and you don't know how to do it, or you're missing something, you're gonna drop off the pins. You're gonna have a big problem, and it's gonna be a little bit harder to get them in without getting this part off. It's also possible, but it's a little harder. It's not meant to be. This one is meant to get off and in, so that's the easiest way to use. Okay, so now we got this part out. Again, we have a key, but you know what? This time we're gonna do it without a key. Now, like you can see, if we don't have a key, the cylinder, the plug not gonna come out. So we're gonna use a shim. Shim, it's just a little piece of metal. Use a Coke can or anything like that. Not cocaine, Coke can. Okay, you can put it right in there and you can hold it like that from the back, and then we can use any type of pick tools and basically just pick a little bit, keep applying pressure on the back until it slides all the way in, very gently. Almost there. Make sure that you line it up. Almost in. More. I think we're all the way in. When you're all the way in, you're gonna feel that the cylinder can come out. So we're almost there. We have a little bit more. Probably one more pin. It's all the way in. Oh, it is. You don't want to do that. So make sure that this time I was lucky. It didn't go all the way. So when it's like that and you feel like the plug can come out a little bit, you can see it like that. It means that we're in the right position. We can use the follower again, and this time we can replace the follower with the plug. Don't drop it down. Okay. Then you can get rid of the shim very gently. And we can do the same thing, rekey in the plug. It's easy.